Alright, it's been a minute since I've last updated or uploaded. So, I did something new. I actually used or put my CVMA license to use, and I have raced with CVMA round 2. So yeah, I raced the Aprilia Tuono 660, and I just wanted to share a video of my lightweight twin. It was my first race ever, and it's actually hilarious. So yeah, let's watch the video together and I'll break it down. Alright, the flag is down and I stalled the start. I don't have any excuses, to be honest. Initially I thought it was my wheelie control that was, probably didn't help, but I thought it was a wheelie control that cut off the throttle, but honestly it's just me. Not experienced enough, didn't practice enough, and I stalled the start and started pretty much dead last. So here I am catching up to the pack. It was an interesting perspective here because I started last, but still I was able to catch up to, I guess, the line or pretty much the train. Here I passed 2 people taking the inside, and yeah, I try my best to pretty much keep up the speed and continue. So I realized I actually catch up to, I want to say, some folks here. This is Crash Mountain. It's off camber, chicane, kind of tricky. But yeah, I realized I was catching up to some folks here. I lost the drive here because I chopped the throttle, thinking that I was too close to the guy in front of me. But yeah, as you can see, I caught up to another group in front of me. And yeah, this is how the race continues. So this is where I also realized that the person in front of the guy in front of me, so 2 folks ahead of me, is pretty much causing traffic or is blocking, and this person can't seem to make a move and pass. So I'm stuck behind, and I kind of follow and see. I try to analyze, I guess is what I'm trying to say, and see where I can make a pass. So here again, I have a better drive, but it's blocked. I had to brake. Here I take a wider line, and lose a drive. But here again, kind of catch up. Maintaining. And then I try to see if I can do the same move, taking the inside of the bull, but no, I couldn't. So I get impatient, I open the throttle a little early, it drives me wide, loses drive again on the exit. I'm going up the slide now. Notice people are braking here hard, but yeah, anyways. So again here, from the lap prior, I realized yeah, I could brake later. I do blow this corner, but I make it stick, I guess. And yeah, from here I think I start my lonely race, and I'm by myself pretty much. I lost the group in front of me, and I'm just riding by myself. But I'm still trying, Didn't give up fully. Okay, I believe this is the 4th lap now, and going into the bowl I start to see somebody, as you can see on the top part of the frame. And here I kind of have hope, I want to say, because that means that I am, I could potentially gain another place. So yeah, I start doing this whole like rabbit chase and try to continue my momentum. And from here it becomes clear that I am catching up to the guy in front of me. So yeah, Let's see. I think I get impatient in a couple places, but I try to keep it consistent as possible to close that gap little by little, and I'm working hard. And also, during the lightweight twin race, I think this was a formula race, the American twins also started in the wave after, and they were pretty much, I guess in a way, they're markers, back markers, so they kind of helped. I try to go through them, you know, swiftly and fast and safely as possible, and I'm able to do it without, you know, much blockage, I want to say, or delay. So yeah, I still see the guy in front of me, and I'm trying my best to play catch up. Yep, and I see that he's getting bigger and bigger. And I think from here, the GoPro doesn't show it because it's on that crazy super ultra wide angle, but I remember him, he kept looking back to check, and I think it was maybe here, he turns around and realizes I'm behind him. Oh yeah, I'm starting to really see that I'm catching up to him. I'm going up the slide. I love this turn, this chicane. So fun. And I think here I dropped 2 gears. Typically I drop 1, but I was experimenting. It works, so I'm going up here in 2nd gear. Oh yeah, it's getting really close, very close. You know, one thing to say is the weather and the condition was just so perfect. It was just warm enough, but not too hot, not too cold. It wasn't windy. It was very confidence inspiring for sure. There you go, he turned around to check again, and I'm like, boom, right behind you. It's the penultimate lap, the white flag is up. And here I think I get really eager, for sure I do, because look, I go wide again. He turned back to look again. Yeah, he has a better drive. Interesting. So yeah, here, teaser. It's a big letdown. And boom. I hit false neutral. And that's it. I blew it. It's over. He's gone. It's a bummer, but I had tons of fun. I learned a lot. I think I ran like a 203. I'm not fast. It was my first time racing here with the 660. Well, racing in general. But 203, I guess, not bad. I'm kind of happy because that is my personal best so far with this 660. I don't know about other bikes. I know for sure I was slower on other bikes, but yeah. I think I ended up at like 18th out of 25, 26 or something like that. Some ridiculous number. It was actually a big group, but I guess considering that I started from last, from stalling the start but not finishing last, I'm proud of that. And also proud for finishing my first race. And the checker flag. Cheer!